private crimes, and I will kill you. You have seen me in public, how I behave, my curses, and my, bad words.
Not fuck with me today. Bullshit. 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 Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Noong 2016, ang frustration sa krimen, katiwalian, at hindi pagkakapantay-pantay ay nagbigay daan sa mga botante para sa isang populist outsider. Nangako si Duterte na aalisin ang droga at krimen, nagsasalita ng hindi maganda, madalas na bastos na wika.
I, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully, conscientiously fulfill my duties as President of the Philippines. So help me God.
Opisyal na kabuuang boto ni Rodrigo Duterte noong 2016